Ronin Jahna puppies. I know. They are going to be 7 weeks old tomorrow. Hi, babies. Good job. I know. Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. I know. Okay, let's get our loves going. I know. Hello. And then we're going to do a scent pad today. Yay! Doesn't that sound like fun? Doesn't this scent pad sound like fun? Hi, buddy. So this is the E-litter. The only one I know for sure is this is Elroy and this is the girl. Hi. Oh, okay. You're going to tell me what? Yeah? Everybody's got opinions? Okay. Good job, guys. Who wants to search for some food? Anybody? Anybody? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, cuz. Come on, guys. Elroy. Good boy. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Good job. Okay, what we're gonna try and see is if anybody starts catching wind. Let's see, where's the wind coming from? This way? So I need the puppies to be over here. Good job, guys. Oh, look at you guys not caring about that. Good job. Good job. Okay, now who's gonna? Yep, I saw he started to use his nose. Anybody smell food? Elroy's, he's caught a scent. Where is it? Good boy. All right, Elroy 1, you 3 none. Oh, look at that handsome focus. Okay. Elroy found a scent. Oh! He found one now too. Okay. Sister, you're the only one I'm doing this for you. You not feeling it? Look, hey. Anything? So there's approximately one there, obviously. There's one here, there's one there, and one there. So, oh. Elroy again. Sister's using her nose. Keep going, there's more. Sister, if you come over here, catch a scent, and then work your way back. Come on, guys. Ah, she found one. Oh, no. You went right over it, girl. She keeps stepping on it. She's like so close to getting it, and then track it out, girl. Well, don't just run cleanup. So again, we still have 3 scents out here. Good girl. She's cleaning up. Oh, yes. Oh, I thought he was going to get it. Nope. There's still okay, I think whichever one this one is, he just found one on his own. Not running cleanup crew. And then there's 2 more left here. But Come here, sister. Smell. So the boys are on the trail. Elroy found another one. Good job, Elroy. So there's one left. I think Elroy's standing on it right now. Yeah, they've mushed it into the grass, so now we'll see. So the last one is right in this area. I know. Y'all is so handsome. Well, I was really hoping sister would get one. There's one left, guys. Anybody want to find it? Oops, fall down, go boom. Or not. I think so. Come here, sister. Hi. Just, do you smell it? No, nobody smells it? How about you? Do you smell it? No, I know. I just. Okay, should we go in the shade and play then? Is Elroy gonna find it? Well, let's not spend all day watching them not find it. Who wants to do puppy stuff? Come here, guys. Who wants a piece of beef? Who wants a piece of beef liver? Who wants a piece of beef liver? Good boys. Good girl. Hi, buddy. Right. Come on, guys. Ah, favorite puppy activity. Oh, good girl. You eating up the food in there? Yeah. That puppy's like, time to go. Bye. Elroy's like beef liver motivated for sure. Yeah, I don't know. Either ILO or indoor, not sure. Come here, guys. Come on, babies. Come on. Good job. She's happy as can be with that. Oh, you found the beef livers? Good. Little girl. Oh, she grabbed a beef liver and ran away. Yeah. Sister, what you doing? Come here. Move out of the way. Come here. Come here, sister. You're right under the teeter-totter. I know. Hi. Sister. Come here, guys. Good job. Ready? Here, look. Oh, sneaky guy. Good job. All right, first dog. You were the first dog to use my teeter-totter that my husband built me. What are we doing, guys? Right? Come here, baby. Yes. Right? Oh, we're having fun. Ha. Look. No. No thanks. Not today. Nice. Okay. Well, good job. And she's finding pieces. Stealing them. Good babies, come here. Leave it. Here, Bubba. Leave it. Good, leave it. Okay, come on. We don't bother the cats. Huh, that was very nice of you guys. All right, well, this is kind of an interesting video, but this is them. They'll be 7 weeks old tomorrow. The E-litter from Ronin and Jahna. Adorable, all of them.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.